You're good. Good. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Sissy Gamache show. It feels so good to be here, guys. I cannot even tell you. The week goes so slow. I just cannot wait to be Friday. But anyway, we have big dogs in the house.
Big dogs.
Big dogs. Venetian Plasters, a specialist. Did I say that right?
Yes, Venetian Plasters.
Gian and Robert, you guys, thank you for being here.
Thank you for inviting us.
Oh my God, it's like you guys, I mean, number one, explain to me, talk to me, how you guys do what you do. What's Venetian Plaster? Because I don't even know. I started on the internet and I did the research. I did my homework.
Yeah.
Even last night before the show, I said, let me look at the DVDs again and with the dry, well not the dry, but how you guys go with the trolls.
Yes.
I mean, how you define Venetian Plaster? Because I'm not, how is it? It's like marble?
Yes, Venetian Plaster, the original name is Marmarino. That basically means son of marble in Italian.
Okay.
Marmarino is a lime-based plaster made out of limestone and marble. And the natural, the authentic Venetian plaster all comes from Europe, Italy. So we get our product from Europe, Italy. We bring it down to the States, and we sell it all over the United States. We train people how to do it all over the United States.
You have seminars, so you just have, right? You come to Queens as well,
We have our training classes. We go to different areas, different states, depending on the base of clients we have in the area that want training seminars. But mostly we do have a lot of seminars in Miami, also here in Long Island City, New York. So we'll just go wherever the people are who want to be trained.
But who's not going to be interested? It looks so gorgeous, guys. I mean, I just was looking one of the DVDs even last night, and I saw how beautiful everything looks, like so
gorgeous
smooth.
finish.
It's just perfect.
It's very gorgeous, very elegant. It's basically bringing the walls to life. Right. The walls are so plain, let's put excitement on it. So it's for walls and ceilings.
And you know what, New York City, we need it bad. Because this city, I mean, I love New York, but when you go to each one apartment, it's like, can drive you crazy a little bit. Like, you know, the construction sucks.
When we were coming here,
I shouldn't say that, but
when we were coming here, we walked by the New York Times building, and we have a customer that did that building, and it's all full of Venetian plaster, yellow. It's beautiful.
The
New York Times building is right here. It was right here. We just walked it, and we went in there, and it was beautiful. It was great. And that was done with our product, and one of our customers did that.
You see, that's incredible what you guys do, and how you guys learned it. I mean, what's the deal? How you guys met? Well, I know that you guys are related to
it's my brother-in-law. But
how you guys got into this? I mean, what happened? Was love at the first sight with the trade?
Well, my family's always been in the finishes industry, but it was with paints. But then we were introduced to the Venetian Plasters from a gentleman from Italy. So we had a company from Italy come over here and train us in their products. Because Paul Hofat, our president of our company, was very interested in the product. So he actually flew to Italy as soon as he found out about this product, because it wasn't being marketed in the States very well. And
you guys are the pioneers.
Yeah.
Let's make that clear. Can we make that clear? Can we go that far and make this statement?
I would basically say there's a lot of other companies that carry Venetian plaster. And they're very nice. A lot of them are synthetic plasters that have acrylic resins. Ours, the only difference about us is we have natural resins. There's other companies that carry natural resin products, and they look very beautiful as well. But our style, our name is Forensic Color Products, and it's very nice and very easy to do. I have so many people.
You guys are gifted. I mean, you have to be good with your hands to do that.
Yeah, or even people.
I was looking at you, how you was doing that DVD that I have right here.
Yeah.
This one right here. I'm sorry that went off camera, guys. Erica, Mike, don't kill me, but I am unpredictable.
No.
We love you, honey.
I love you too, baby. I love you very much.
No, the thing is that we have people that never use a trial in their life, that work in a desk, and they take one of our classes, and we teach them how to do it, and they do very well, because it's very easy to do. There's other plasters that are harder to do.
Yeah, but I mean, it takes a skill, it takes an eye, I guess.
Yeah, you gotta have the eye for it.
It looks way too beautiful. It looks way too, I mean, it was funny because I was getting, I think it's the second one. This is the first one.
That's the second one. Yeah, we got actually 4 DVDs now.
You got 4 DVDs, but it was funny because I'm reading all those names. In fact, I have it right here. Bear with me, guys. Mike and Erica, please. Look, check this out. Check this out. Marmarino, Xiotomato, Fine Marmorino, Anticotato.
You didn't even pronounce those right.
Check this out. Look. I'm not kidding. Look. Marmorino.
Marmorino.
I got that one right. Xiotomato.
What is that? Let me see what you wrote here.
It's all Japanese.
Marmorino.
Right?
I don't even know what you wrote here.
It's okay.
Let me see what this says over here.
Fine Marmorino, Travertine. Guys, when I was reading the list, I thought that I was reading a menu. I have all these names.
No, the DVDs what we do is basically like a mini seminar. It's how to do it, very simple instructions, very simple. Very simple. From the beginning to the end. Yeah, very simple. That's how we want to do it.
And guys, and when you're doing it, like you have to be, I'm just wondering, when you're doing it, you have to concentrate, or can you drift off a little bit? Or you have to be...
Because the thing is that we're doing this in high-end homes. We want to say professionals.
You can do it with your eyes closed?
You
can I can do it with my eyes
closed. You can listen to your iPod while you're working.
What about you, Robert?
You can listen to your iPod while you're working or the radio.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
It doesn't, once you get practice a little, it doesn't take a high level of concentration.
Exactly.
So guys, what do you like to work the most? Like buildings, in terms of, like, let's say the walls, the bathrooms, I mean,
we love to do the whole 9 yards. Everything. We do everything from walls to ceilings, from interior, exterior. We have exterior products as well. Very, very nice. And we do whatever the customer wants, that's what we do. That's what they pay us for, and that's what we do.
Let's say I'm sorry to cut you off. Bear with me, Gian.
Even in the closets.
Even in the closets.
Yeah, thank you. The closets, yeah. I mean, it's like, it's not a little too tight, like, to go, because it's like, you can't.
We got to do it. If the customers pay to do it, we do it.
Even if you have perspective, even if you want to move a little bit, you know, to check the angle, to check the light, how you guys do?
If you can paint it, you could put Venetian plaster on it.
Exactly.
Are you sure?
We got the special tools. We got some special tools that we have. I'll be showing later during the show. And you know, basically we improvise. Whatever
so you
situation
you need.
Too. Yeah. Whatever situation, we use our finger to fill in the corners. We use brushes to get into hard places. We got sponge trowels. Whatever place you need to put the Venetian, we could do it. It's not a problem.
Yeah, I like the sponge, the way that you did it. Like, you know, it was interesting.
Yeah. We use the sponge trowel for heavy textures like that sample right there on the floor. You know, very pretty stuff. And it's so easy to do. 1, 2, 3.
Who are better now, men or women in the trade?
No, they're both very good.
No. Be honest. Somebody's going to be better. I mean, it's like women, we have a better eye. But you guys have bigger hands.
My mother-in-law, Cindy Hofat, she's one of the best. She actually taught me a lot of stuff. My wife, Ashley Sagasti, is very good as well.
Okay. I didn't know your wife.
Yeah, my wife does it as well. She's a full finisher as well.
Okay.
And because they grew up in the business.
Right.
So, and then I came in 6 years ago, and then they taught me some stuff.
And you learned it quick.
And I learned it quick.
Just like
every day. I did it every day. Even in weekends when we're closed, I had a hold a trowel in my hand.
And how many hours a day, guys? How many hours a day you practice? Just if I want to learn.
But
just give me an example.
You know what? You just pick a room in your house that you want to do. Your bedroom.
I have so much stuff in my house that you didn't even.
Really?
You know.
But you have stuff in your house. We trained her husband, Joey Gamache, and he does very well. And he's a trainer and he's a boxer.
Yeah, but my baby, what he does.